Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to toggle the touchscreen on Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. To do that, we're gonna need to open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Once you find it, open it. Here, look for the Human Interface Devices section, and once you find it, expand it like this. Here you'll find HID compliant touchscreen. Let's search for it. Okay, so no, instead it is called Surface touchscreen device. So let's double click it, then let's go to driver tab right here, and then click disable device. Click yes, and right now your touchscreen is disabled. Now if you want to re-enable it, you have to go into the same menu again and re-enable the touchscreen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.